Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to tell you how you can move the music from iPhone to your PC. First of all, connect your iPhone with the PC. And now open the software iPhone box. I will put the link in the description box. You can download from there. Open the software. Now you can see here my iPhone is connected. Now go to music. If you want to import the music in the iPhone, click on import. Now click here on the box. Now select the location where the music is. And click on open. You can see here the music is importing in the iPhone. Now your music has imported in the iPhone. Now if you want to export the music from your iPhone, select the music you want to. Click here on export. Now select the location and click on save. You can see here the music is exported on the desktop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.